You are welcome, Anansi. Today we are coming to learn some of the words that can be formed from the letter F. Din tibatibai Mbɔbil nŋmeebil ŋitaa kin anam kinya limɔkl f napuna. Before we start, kindly follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and we are also on WhatsApp. Our name is Likpakpaaln to the world. But on WhatsApp, you give us your number and we'll add you to the group. Tipina ngang le yora takil dite. To be Facebook, YouTube, no WhatsApp. Tayimbili Likpakpaaln to the world. But WhatsApp wana I get that number kreditite. I get the nŋmeebil. I think enough for nŋmeebil kreditite ngate de kede be lekpo wamo. So chatipindo chena. Temutagi ngana bona yike tege yin le Mbɔbil na nge gan nŋmeebil na nge de to wana kede nga Mbɔbil. We will mention the word, spell the word, and then use it to form a sentence. So let's begin. Chatipi. Fork. 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 It means long, tall, or the length. Long, tall, or the length of something. F. O. K. Fork. F. O. K. Fork. So let's use it to form a sentence. Chatete ne kede nga Mbɔbil. Binib benko nima na fork pam. Binib benko nima na fork pam. Binib benko nima na fork pam. Let's go to the next example. Chatebom le mo lempana. Fam. 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 It means useless. 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 F. A. Nŋmeebil wana ganmo. F. A. Fam. Chate de kede nga Mbɔbil. Let's use it to form a sentence. Udimaaraatuln na nga fam. Udimaaraatuln na nga fam. Udimaaraatuln na nga fam. Let's go to the next example. Chatibom le mo lempana. Le mo lempana le ye fuk. 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 F. I. K. Fuck. F. I. K. Fuck. Let's use it to form a sentence. Chate de fuck. Chate de ne kede nga Mbɔbil. Be fuck ki do kitiŋ. Be fuck ki do kitiŋ. Be fuck means le kan like natata yike faint. Natata yi faint. Faint. Let's go to the next example. Fe. 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 It means blow your nose or blow nose. Blow nose. Fe. 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 Umɔnfal. Fe. Umɔnfal. Fe. Umɔnfal. Fe. Umɔnfal. Fe. Umɔnfal. Let's go to the next example. Chatebom le mo lempana. Fa. Fa. It means slap or hit. Slap or hit. fa f a fa f a fa c'est le fa o c'est le fa o c'est le fa o b c'est le fa o kitapak c'est le fa o kitapak c'est le fa o kitapak. Let's go to the next example. Chatibom le mo limpana. Fop. 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 Fe o be. Fop. Fe o be. Fop. Fe o be. Fop. It means to remove feathers or to remove the hair. Let's use to form a sentence. Chatidinga mbwalam. Tidinga mbwalam. Bechu fop nyan tikur. Bechu fop nyan tikur. Bechu fop nyan tikur. It means they remove the hair. Bechu fop nyan tikur. So this is the end of our today's lesson. Tade abe molena. And it is Likpakpaaln to the world that brings this information to you. Ni Likpakpaaln to the world in chat about piinni. And it is your brother Mangu Ilimo Joseph speaking. And ni anabu Mangu Ilimo Joseph Lena. Thanks for your time. And until now, please share these videos, like this video, share to your friends and family. If you look on top, you will see the name Likpakpaaln to the world. Kindly like our page, and the written form of what we've just learned will be put there. Alopacham kata yimbilbe ta yimbili Likpakpaaln to the world. Ligete namachi kiyor kujunjungmna tito. Amule le yimbil wana taka ge kitiŋ me tabe to wana na kede pan machi. Ngange anutun pam. Please, thank you very much. And have a blessed day. Mbɔbil tite ngwinya. Bye bye.